Every successful industrial investment begins with the right planning. The process starts with identifying the land where our client's facility will be built. We carry out a thorough site inspection and comprehensive geotechnical survey. Using the data gathered, we develop the superstructure designs. We plan production lines, auxiliary facilities, and operational areas for maximum efficiency. We then prepare the infrastructure designs. Reinforced concrete plans, structural analyses, and foundation engineering studies are all completed by our team. Once the designs are approved, we mobilize on site. We carry out foundation excavations, execute all infrastructure works, and complete the concrete pouring processes. While construction progresses on site, manufacturing simultaneously begins at IPS Makina's production facilities. Our expert teams fabricate steel structures, process equipment, and auxiliary systems in parallel. Once fabrication is complete, we dispatch all equipment to the site and begin the mechanical installation process. We begin the mechanical installation work by placing the kiln support rollers, trunnion rollers, onto the concrete foundations. Next, we complete the installation of the rotary kiln, which is one of the facility's most critical pieces of equipment. Following the kiln installation, we assemble the grinding and separation unit, the packaging unit, and the end-of-line equipment. While these works are ongoing, we simultaneously continue the installation of the stone crushing unit. As the mechanical installation progresses, we also initiate the electrical and automation works. We mount the cable trays and complete all power and communication infrastructure. In parallel, we develop the plant's control system. We build the SCADA software and integrate all equipment into the central automation platform. Once installation is complete, we begin cold commissioning. We run all equipment without using gypsum. We conduct detailed checks of the mechanical, electrical, and automation systems. After successfully completing cold commissioning, we move to hot commissioning. We run the system under real production conditions and fine-tune all process parameters. With all tests successfully completed, we bring the plant fully online. We train the operations teams and hand over the facility to our client, production ready. At IPS Makina, we manage every stage under one roof, from engineering and manufacturing to installation and commissioning, delivering fully operational, turnkey industrial plants.